Hello everybody. In this video we are going to discuss about the second life process, that is respiration according to NCERT textbooks. First of all, what do you mean by respiration? It is a physico-chemical process. It is a physio-chemical process. That means physical cum chemical process. It is a physio-chemical process or physical cum chemical process. That means the physical process of the respiration is nothing but breathing. That means exchange of gases. Exchange of gases. Once exchange of gases takes place, that means wanted gases such as oxygen getting into the body of the living system, whereas letting out of unwanted gases into atmosphere. That is called, we say, gases exchange. It is also known as external respiration. External respiration. Now come to the second part of the respiration, that is chemical process. That is breaking down of glucose into energy at cellular level. See that in the first classes, that means in nutrition we discussed, organisms obtain the food molecule from the sources. Now it is breaking down into simple particles. It has been shifted into the cells. At cellular level, the glucose, that means food molecule, digested food, simplified food, has to be break down into energy. What you call it as chemical process of respiration or internal respiration. Yes. Now, totally the respiration is a physical cum chemical process. Physical part is exchange of gases, that is breathing. Now, the second process, chemical breaking down of glucose into energy. Now, the respiration based on the oxygen requirement, two types, which are aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. See, aerobic respiration means the process needed oxygen. Oxygen is must. Also, those organism which is undertaking this process aerobes, whereas second type is anaerobic. Here there is no need of oxygen. Those are called anaerobes. The organism which is respiring without action, what you call it as anaerobes. You know, the simplest form of living system like a fungi, bacteria, many things comes under the anaerobic category. Now you come to the next level of this system. That means basically body needs energy in order to be alive. In order to be alive, we need energy. How do you obtain the energy? By means of eating food. So that we discuss in the nutrition. Now come to the obtain the food molecules, breaking down into energy. How? Now there are different pathways used by the various organisms. So please refer the textbooks of NCERT here. Now you see that ultimately the food is broken down into finally the simple products called glucose. Now the glucose reached into the each one of the body cells as another process called circulation that we will discuss in some other video. Now the glucose is reached in the cells. Now the glucose in the cytoplasm breaking down into the another chemical compound, what you call it as pyruvic acid. That means one glucose, that means 6 carbon sugar breaking down into the cytoplasm as a process called glycolysis to form 2 pyruvic acid. That means 3 carbon compound. So pyruvic acid is a 3 carbon compound. Now the pyruvic acid undergoing 3 ways of further breaking down. Number 1, you see that first reaction, that means the pyruvic acid in absence of oxygen, normally in yeast cell, that means anaerobes, converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide energy. Whereas the second pathway is again in absence of oxygen, even human muscle cells, the pyruvic acid breaking down into lactic acid and energy. You remember here, whenever you do hard work, there are a lot of energy required by us. Sometimes our body muscles undergoes anaerobic respiration to make energy. That is why the lactic acid accumulated more and more in the body cells, your muscle cells, that causes pain. We call it as cramps. Now the third step is very important. In presence of oxygen, it is a normal aerobic respiration. Completely the pyruvic acid converted into, that means carbon dioxide, water and energy. So it is a complete oxidation. The whole process takes place in mitochondria and produces large amount of energy. So these are the way the glucose molecule undergoes so many ways and is byproducts into finally energy products. Yes.